Hello everyone, and welcome to the Babyface AI demo video. In this video, we'll give you a complete overview of the Babyface AI platform. From transforming your photos into Babyface avatars, to generating full videos with custom voices, backgrounds, and other AI-powered features. So, let's get started. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll see the main features, like Generate Avatar, Generate Video, and Generate Voice. In the top right corner, you'll see your available credits and your profile. In the left-hand menu, you'll find options like My Videos, My Avatars, My Voices, Generate Images, Background Swap, etc. So, let's check out these features. Firstly, click on Generate Avatar, and you'll be redirected to the Avatar section. Now, click the Generate Avatar button and you'll see three options: Photo to Babyface, Photo to Avatar, and Video to Avatar. Creating one Babyface avatar will consume 2,000 credits, and similarly, creating one avatar will also consume 2,000 credits. But the third option, Video to Avatar, is completely free. You can convert unlimited videos to an avatar without any credits. So, let's start with the Photo to Babyface feature. Click Generate to continue. You will be redirected to the Generate Avatar section. Here, you have to upload an image. Choose your avatar style, like I'm going with baby style for now. Then select the gender, male or female. Lastly, select the aspect ratio of your avatar. And click Generate. In just a few seconds, your Babyface avatar will be ready. Now, if you choose the Studio Babyface avatar style and click Generate Now, it will apply studio style edits to your image. As you can see, it will add accessories like headphones, a microphone, and studio background to your Babyface avatar image. Now, select your favorite avatar image, and click Next. Simply add a title and emotion, then save your avatar. You can find your avatar in My Avatar section. Now, click on Generate Avatar and let's check the second option, Photo to Avatar. This works similarly but applies no changes to the image, it just converts it to avatar format. This avatar format can be used to create realistic videos from this image. And now, the third option is Video to Avatar. Simply upload a video, give it a title, select gender, choose the aspect ratio, and click Generate Now. No credits are used here, and once done, your video avatar will be ready to use. You can find the final output in My Avatar section. Now, let's check out another amazing feature called My Voices. To upload your voice, click on Clone Your Voice. A pop-up will appear. Enter a title here, choose your language, and upload your voice file. Please read these instructions carefully before uploading your voice file. And click Confirm. Your voice will be saved in My Voice section. Now, let's click on Generate Image. This section lets you generate images from prompts. Simply enter a prompt, for example, I am entering lion image. And click Generate Now. In just a few seconds, your AI-generated image will appear. You can simply enter any prompt according to the type of image you want to generate, and click Generate Now. And your image will be generated in a few seconds. You can download it directly to your device. So, this is how the Generate Image feature will work. Now, let's check out the background swap feature. Firstly, you need to select the background image you want to swap in your video. Then upload a video, in which you want to change the background. And click Swap Now. After a few seconds, your video will be updated with the new background. Ready to download and share on your social media platforms. If you again want to change the background in the video, simply select Image, and click on Generate Now. Now, let's explore the last and the final feature, My Videos. This is the section where everything comes together, whatever you have generated previously. So, simply click Generate Video. Firstly, you have to choose the avatar. You can choose from our pre-made AI avatars, or you can simply use an avatar you've already created. I am going with this baby one, and click Next. Secondly, you have to write the script for your video, and choose a voice. If you do not have the script, no worries, simply click on our AI writer and type any topic you want. Then click Generate. It will generate content for you. Click Apply to use the generated content. Now, the very last step is to select the voice. You can use AI voices, or your own uploaded voice under My Voices. We also have some baby voices, and premium voices if you would like to use them. You can choose any voice you would like to use in your video. I am going with this AI-generated voice, and click Confirm. You can also test the preview of this voice by clicking on Play Preview. Once you're happy with everything, click Next. So, this render will consume your 1000 credits. Now, you have to enter a title and click Start Render. Your video will render in a few minutes. Once ready, you can preview, download, and share it anywhere. You also have the option to automatically add captions. Just click the video to preview, and your video will display with on-screen text. You can download and share the video anywhere, with or without captions. This is the full overview of Babyface AI. From image to avatar creation, voice cloning, image generation, background editing, to final video production. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.